Okay, I'm going to show you one of my new favorite tools that I love to use for making unicorn eyes. Now, unicorns are getting big and really popular, so this makes it so much faster to make their eyes. So here's some example of some of the eyes that you can make with these cutters. And the nice thing is it's not just cutters, but the cutters actually help you get it out. There's two pieces. The cutter and the part that helps you get it out of the cutter because of all these little teeny pieces in here. So let me show you how it works. It's super fast and simple. Just take your fondant, knead it up, roll it out. I'm just making sure it's not stuck. So you take your cutter, cut, wiggle it, then I flip it over and I just run my finger on the edges. And then instead of having a hard time trying to get it out or using a paintbrush, you just put the other piece inside and push it through and it pops right out. So can do another one. Wiggle, rub the edges. Comes right out. Here's another one. Now this one, it only comes with one cutter because it's universal. So it doesn't matter if it's the right eye or the left eye, it's the same. So it only comes with one cutter. And I will post a link to where I got these. On my blog. Oh, I might have gotten it stuck. Oh, there you go. Rub all the little edges. Pop it in. Push it out. Got all these fun eyelashes. Let's see. There we go. So you can have your unicorn's eyelashes done in seconds rather than a lot longer. If you're trying to roll it out and cut out little eyelashes to go with it. There you have it. I will post a link so you can get those as well. They're awesome. Love them.